Bex, please do your cartwheel. Melanie.
Is my best.
Melanie, will you do your cartwheel? That was hot.
I'll do it. Everyone has it. Ready? I'll do.
Okay, y'all do your cartwheels like on sync or whatever you call it. Right.
Get that?
Yes, I did, kinda. Wait.
I was like,
Y'all, I pwn at cartwheels.
no, did you see me?
I'm good at them.
No, I just.
Melanie, yours like go like a freaking inch off the ground.
Ready?
Ready, go.
That was a real one.
Okay, go.
I'll do round off that handspring.
Seriously?
No, just round off like this. You guys are gonna die.
Oh, someone's coming.
Oh, dang, girl.
Let's get out of the road.
Stay home, girl. Don't be dissing.
Don't be disrespecting. Melanie, you want to film, please?
Melanie, do you remember when we took pictures? Oh, this would be cool. Let's take a picture under the tree.
Oh, yeah. The tree.
You don't build cars.
There's a hot guy in that. Oh wait, what if they watch this? Shit, we're screwed. Crap, I mean. Dang it.
Oh. Ah la la, ah la la, ah la la.
Okay, will you please stop doing it?
This.
Hey, what's on my
Damn.
phone?
Damn. All right. Bye.